They last, all the parts are replaceable, the blades are replaceable, the springs are replaceable. We can sharpen them for you. So these are loppers. There's lots of different loppers, and you're welcome to go up after. I didn't want to take the time to go through all of them, but here one too. But these are wonderful. You notice how far apart the blades are? They cut really, really well. The weight of the branch is probably going to bend, break, and it's going to skin that tree. All the bark, you're not going to be able to get through. So I'm jumping ahead a little bit. I just want to show you how these work, but watch. You know, people burn pastures to get rid of grass or get rid of weed seed. Tree, can everybody see this bud right there? That would be considered a latent bud. And a latent bud is one that may you don't want to make your cut go below this bud. So you don't want to cut so close that the bottom of your cut is down below this.
Right.
Real quick, what is this? Vinca. Does everybody know this is vinca or periwinkle? This is a perennial. Reason I'm doing this is to see how much you guys know. What is this? Basket of gold. Okay. Is I wanted you to realize you've got to know what you're pruning. You have to know what you are pruning. Those are perennials, and most times you would just cut them off. But there are things that if you don't know what you're pruning, either you're going to be pruning away the buds and you're not going to have flowers, or you're going to be pruning something that you either didn't need to or you needed to cut harder. You can see just how little I did. A barberry, I don't personally think you need to go in and clean it out down below. You know, I just don't think it's necessary. They do get a little congested in there, but they don't really flower. I think it's there either for a hedge. They make a great hedge. They also are a very nice focal point. There are yellow ones. There are beautiful green ones that turn beautiful fall color. And this particular one had some real tall looking branches on it, and I cut it back quite a bit. I had some real in the audience, but it's all right. I'm going to show you on this one. But these are the kinds of questions we get all the time. My plant's dying. No, it's not dying. It just needs a little attention, and it needs a little bit more water. Anytime there's burn around the edges of a leaf, that's usually an indication of lack of water.
Lay down, will it start over?
No, but not really. Before we even do that, because we do take dead and dying off first, let's first decide, do we even want that branch, period. How low do you want to stoop to get under this tree? Especially if it's a tree that you have in your lawn, where you're going to be mowing around it. So remember, where do trees grow from? Remember we said terminal? So they're going to grow up here. These branches are going to stay this level all the time. People don't understand. They think that the trunk grows. The trunk goes this way. The growth goes up.